In order to take full advantage of K2+ multicolor printing capabilities, you need to connect it to CFS first. Here are the detailed steps. Before connecting the CFS, make sure the desiccant in the CFS is properly placed. By pushing the locking buckles on both sides straight back, you can easily unlock and open the top cover of CFS. Find the desiccant storage location, tear off the film on the desiccant surface, and then put the desiccant into the CFS. Close the top cover of the CFS and push the two sides buckles forward to ensure that the top cover is tightly locked. Install the printer cover. Placing CFS on a K2+ machine, install the filament buffer, making sure it is aligned correctly, and tighten the two screws to secure its position. Connect PT-FE tube. Connect the consumable buffer for 8.5 data communication and the printer for 8.5 data communication. Place waste bins. Bring your own at designated locations to collect waste generated during the printing process. Plug in the printer power cord and turn it on. Click Prepare, Filament, Guide. You can view the load filament indication, and related indication information of CFS control interface. Unlock the buckles on both sides of CFS, open the top cover, and prepare to put in the filament. Regarding the precautions for CFS filaments, please refer to the following kind tips. Filaments can be divided into filaments with our RFID tags and ordinary filaments. Cut the filament at a 45 angle and place it in the CFS, making sure the filament head is aligned with the Teflon tube of the corresponding silo. Push it in gently and let go after feeling the pulling force. The filament will be automatically loaded. Depending on the type of filament, RFID filament or ordinary filament, the machine will automatically read or prompt you to edit the filament information. When the RFID filaments are loaded, the printer will automatically read the filament's information without editing. At this time, the button view is below the filaments, and there is no button edit. Load ordinary filaments. After receiving the information of the printer automatical tension, the interface displays and activates the button Edit. Click the button Edit, select brand, type, name, color, and click OK. The diagram can refer to the relevant instructions. Close the CFS cover and lock the buckles on both sides. Method 1. Local printing. Click File, select the model you want to print, and start printing. Method 2. LAN-connected printing. Note: before printing, please confirm that the chosen filament's brand, type, name, and color in the software are consistent with the machine settings and the actual filaments used. Click Print Plate on the sliced model in the slicing software and select the corresponding machine. Before starting to print, you need to confirm the color of the corresponding bin filaments if the colors do not match. You can adjust them manually. Check Print Calibration. Click Print, and the machine will start printing automatically. Wait patiently for the machine to complete the printing task. Then you can take out the multicolor model. By following the above steps, you will be able to easily implement multicolor printing operations of K2+ and enjoy a more colorful printing experience.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.